Wish you wonderful morning, kids. I hope you all are fine. Myself, Noshaba Fatima Ansari from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Kids, I'm back with another craft activity and we are going to make Santa Claus and Belle. Okay, let's start. Kids, for this activity, we need red, white sheets, red, brown, black glitter sheets. You can use simple color sheets also, but it should be red, brown and black. Okay, scissors, Fevicol and cotton. Now let's start. First of all, kids, take out red sheet, okay, of this size. Now hold it from corner and make a cone like this. Now kids, apply Fevicol over here like this. Now ask your parents, kids, to cut this part for you. Like this, okay? Now kids, keep this aside. Take out white sheet, okay, and fold it like this. Now take out your pencil, kids. We are going to draw Santa's beard, okay, on this side, okay. Put your pencil over here and draw small curves like this. Okay, and draw one curve over here. Now cut this part. Take out your scissors. Ask your parents to cut it for you. Like this. Now kids, again take a piece of paper, fold it like this. We are going to make Santa Claus mustache. Draw like this, wavy line first and make curve. Now we will cut it like this. Now open it. This is mustache, okay. Now take white paper, a white sheet, and cut a small circle like this and cut this shape and color it with skin color, okay. Now let's paste beard, mustache and these things on this cone like this, okay. Now let's make Santa Claus hat. For that we will need red glitter sheet. Keep this aside, kids. Now turn it and make a cone like this. Now paste it over here, okay, like this. Kids, take out black glitter sheet. Now cut her like this. For Santa Claus belt, like this. Now let's paste it over here. Take brown glitter sheet and cut this shape and paste it over here. Now kids, take this much of cotton and cotton ball. We will paste this cotton ball over here with the help of Fevicol, like this. Like this, kids. Now take this much of cotton and paste it over here. Now let's make Santa Claus eyes. For this, take white paper and cut 2 ovals like this and make a black circle like this. Now paste it over here. See, kids, our Santa Claus is ready. Kids, first of all, take out golden glitter sheet and fold it in half like this. Okay. Now take out your pencil, sharpen it, and we are going to draw bell over here. Okay. Draw with me. Put your pencil over here and draw a curve like this. Now go upward. Now go downwards like this. Now put your pencil over here and draw one big curve from this point to this point. Okay. Like this. Now extend this little bit and draw one more curve. And join to this end. We are going to make one more curve over here. Now draw one big circle like this. Okay. And put your pencil over here and draw one curve like this and one more over here. Now put your pencil over here and draw curve like this. Now kids, ask your parents to cut it for you with the help of scissors. Okay, like this. See how ma'am is doing. After cutting it, you will get 2 bells like this. Okay, of the same size. Now we will decorate these 2 bells. Keep these 2 bells aside. Now take red glitter sheet, turn it around, take out your pencil and draw curve like this. If you have no idea of the size of bell, then put over here and you can draw the curve of the size. Okay, now one more curve from here. And put your pencil over here and draw one more curve like this. Okay. Now after this, Draw one more curve from here. Okay. Now fold this in half and cut this curve with the help of scissors. Ask your parents to cut it for you, okay? Like this. See how ma'am is doing. And do it very carefully. Now we will cut this part also. After cutting it, you will get this, okay? Now we will paste these two parts on belts like this with the help of Fevicol. See, I've pasted this part. Now after this, take out silver glitter sheet, keep these two aside, turn it and fold it in half. Now draw one circle according to this bell, according to these bells, okay? Like this. Now cut this circle like this, okay? Now take these two bells and paste these two circles over here like this with the help of Fevicol, like this, okay? Now take out red glitter sheet again and cut small circles like this, and we will paste it over here with the help of Fevicol. Now kids, keep these two bells aside and take out dark green glitter sheet, turn it and take out your pencil. We will draw leaves on this sheet, okay? Start from here. Like this, you have to draw leaves, okay? Cut like this, okay? Now we will make 3 more leaves like this. So take out your pencil and put this leaf over here and outline this leaf. So we will cut more leaves like this. See kids, now we have 4 leaves. Now let's paste these leaves on these bells, okay? Take 2 leaves, apply Fevicol, and paste under this circle. Like this. See kids, I've pasted leaves. Now we will decorate it more with golden stones. Okay, you can decorate it with beads also. It's up to you. Do your creativity. See kids, I've decorated my bells. Now we will tie these two bells together like this from here. Now take ribbon and tie these two bells together like this, okay, from here. And see kids, our bell is ready. You can write your wishes over here, okay. Kids, in this way you can make Santa Claus and bell like this. You can write your wishes here and you can hang it on your Christmas tree or on window pane or on plants, okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.